Hello students, today we see exponential distribution. Exponential distribution is also a continuous distribution like the uniform distribution or rectangular distribution. Now we see the definition of exponential distribution. A random variable capital X is said to have an exponential distribution is said to have an exponential distribution if its probability mass function its probability density function is given by, because probability density function, because it is a continuous distribution, if its probability density function is given by f of x with parameter theta is equal to theta into e raised to minus theta x. Here x is greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. So what is probability density function of exponential distribution? F of x, theta is here parameter, theta into e raised to minus theta x. Here x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than 0 or is equal to 0 otherwise for other values. Now we see moment generating function of exponential distribution and what is the mean and variance of exponential distribution. Moment generating function of exponential distribution. Moment generating function of exponential distribution. Now by definition we know that what is moment generating function? Moment generating function is moment generating function is equal to mxt, x is a random variable, is equal to expectation of e raised to tx. Now here exponential distribution is continuous distribution, so is equal to integration of e raised to tx into f of x dx. Means here what is f of x with parameter theta and dx, integration going from 0 to infinity. X take the values from x is greater than 0 to infinity. Therefore mxt is equal to integration going from 0 to infinity e raised to tx into f of x theta is, in case of exponential distribution, f of x theta is theta into e raised to minus theta x, and integration is with respect to x dx. Theta is free from x, so is equal to theta into integration going from 0 to infinity e raised to tx into e raised to minus theta x dx. Again this can be written as, therefore mxt is equal to theta into integration going from 0 to infinity of here e raised to, so you know the rules of exponential, e raised to here x is common, minus, so you take theta minus t into x, and integration is with respect to x. So is equal to theta into, so you know the integration of e raised to minus theta x, so integration of this is the e raised to minus theta minus t into x upon minus theta minus t, and upper limit is x is equal to infinity and lower limit is x is equal to 0. Now here x is equal to 0, e raised to minus x is equal is infinity, e raised to minus infinity means 1 upon e raised to infinity means 1 upon e raised to infinity, e raised to infinity means 0, 1 upon infinity means this is the 0. So x is equal to 0 means minus, here e raised to x is equal to 0 means e raised to minus 0 or e raised to 0 means 1. So is equal to theta upon or minus here theta minus t, upper limit is 0 minus lower limit is 1. If you substitute x is equal to 0, value of this is 1. Therefore minus minus become plus. Therefore mxt moment generating function is mxt is equal to minus minus become plus theta upon theta minus t, or again this can be written as, if you take theta common in denominator, theta into 1 minus t upon theta. So this theta cancels. So is equal to 1 upon 1 minus t upon theta. Again this can be written as, therefore mxt is equal to 1 minus t upon theta raised to minus 1. And you know the expansion of 1 minus t raised to minus 1. This, what is this expansion? So this is the 1 plus t upon theta raised to 1 plus t upon theta square plus t upon theta raised to 3 and so on up to the plus t raised to r upon t upon theta raised to r, t upon theta raised to r. Again in summation this can be written as summation of t upon theta raised to r, r is going from 0 to, again here plus plus and so on, 0 to infinity. There are more terms here. If r is equal to 0, t upon theta raised to 0 means 1, first term 1, r is equal to 1, t upon theta, r is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, you get all terms. So what is this? This is the moment generating function of exponential distribution. Now we have to find the mean and variance of the exponential distribution. Again by definition we have also mu r dash is equal to expectation of x raised to r. So you can find that is integration of x raised to r into f of x theta, or directly this is the, you have the expansion of this mxt. This is mu expectation of x raised to r is equal to coefficient of t raised to r upon factorial r, t raised to r upon factorial r in mxt. So what is mu r dash? Mu r dash is the expectation of x raised to r or coefficient of t raised to r upon factorial r in mxt. So you have the expansion of mxt, this. So what is coefficient of t raised to r upon factorial r? So here is no factorial r, therefore you divide and multiply by factorial r. Therefore mu r dash is equal to, so there is no coefficient, therefore you can write factorial r upon here theta raised to r. factorial r upon theta raised to r. So r takes the values from 1, 2 and so on. R 1, 2 up to the infinity. So mu r dash is equal to factorial r upon theta raised to r. Therefore, if you substitute r is equal to what, you get mu 1. Therefore, mu 1 dash is equal to mean is equal to r is equal to 1. Means factorial 1 means 1. And r is equal to 1 means theta raised to 1. Therefore, mu 1 dash is equal to 1 upon theta. This is the mean of exponential distribution. Now, what is variance? Variance is equal to mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. So, for that, you put r is equal to 2. So, what do we get? Mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is equal to r is equal to 2 means factorial 2 upon theta square. So, this is the mu 2 dash. Therefore, variance is equal to mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square is equal to mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is factorial 2 means 2 upon theta square minus mu 1 dash square. Mu 1 dash is 1 upon theta and its square means 1 upon theta square. So is equal to theta square 2 minus 1 means 1 upon theta square. So variance is equal to 1 upon theta square. Thus here mean and variance of exponential distribution are 1 upon theta and 1 upon theta square respectively. So we stop here. Thank you.